Welcome to Fusion Cooking Channel.
Today Fusion Cooking Channel is going to present Palak green peas rice. It's a very healthy homemade baby food for 8 months plus babies. Take 1 teaspoon ghee, cumins, garlic and curry leaves. Roast them a little bit. Take 1/4 cup green peas or about 2 tablespoons. Green peas are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, iron and vitamin B6. They boost immunity. They are very healthy protein and very easy to digest. Next we are going to take spinach. Spinach is also have lot of health benefits. It assists baby development. It prevents anemia by supplying ample amount of iron. It also strengthens immunity and it keeps the eyes very healthy, and it has many other health benefits as well. So we are using very healthy ingredients here. Now we added 2 tablespoons rice. This rice was soaked in water for half hour. Add a little bit of freshly ground pepper. We are not adding salt here because this is baby food. And we are adding 1 cup of water, just enough to cook it thoroughly. Keep the lid on and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Cool it down a little bit, mash it, and this is ready to be served for 8 months plus babies as a breakfast or lunch. If there are any leftovers, you can keep it for next day in the fridge. And this can be given about 2 to 3 times a week.
Thanks for watching till the end. Hit that like button, comment below and subscribe.